37 Aviator. Today I am making a tutorial video for how to download the ALES v2, as I made a video on a review on the ALES v2 in the previous video. So yeah, it's pretty easy, and all you gotta do is click some buttons and you're all done. So let's get right into it. Alright, so first we have to download the ALES v2 from the explain.org.store. Then you will get an email saying this is how you can download it, and you download it. Then after that we get a zip file which you have to extract. I recommend putting it in your desktop, but you can put it anywhere you want except for the explain 11 folder. Then after that we go into the folder and we open the file and go into configurator. Then we go into the ALES.exe file, which we get it in there. Click that and open it, and you'll get this. It will ask you if you wanna do you wanna allow this. Click yes, and it should open up. We get this screen over here. We click next, then set a path. We select where we have our explain installed and click explain.exe and open. And then we click next again and take the version that you wish to have. My laptop is really it doesn't take 4K, as it will be needing more space, which I don't have. And then we go to next again when we get Taxiline Textures. I had chosen a new one, but you can choose whatever you want. Then next we get Runway Textures. So USA looks like that, the old version, the new version. Then Euro looks like this, the old and new. And Canada looks like this, only one. But I've gone with Euro, and we click next and next. Then we get the skid mark textures. I like type 1, so I use that. You can use any one of these four. Type 1, type 2, type 3, and type 4. I chose type 2, and we click install. And it installed, but I have installed it, so I don't need to do that. And after that, it's as easy as opening explain and seeing the difference. It might take a bit to load, but don't worry, nothing has happened. It just ALES v2 loading in. The first time it's only, and yeah, that's pretty much how to install ALES. And you can see what happens into explain. You can see the previous video if you want to. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. And also, if you like aviation and explain, consider subscribing to the channel, and joining the Discord server is also very much appreciated, as we lost a lot of members through a raid, but that's alright. And have a good one, everybody. See ya.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.